Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this POCO smartphone. You need to begin by opening Clock app. Now choose Alarm section at the top on the left. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom to create your alarm and set up an hour. If you wish to use your alarm once, just tap on this little icon next to delete after it goes off to enable it. If you don't, click on repeat and tap on the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I need to choose days of the week. And then save them by choosing OK. Now click on label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on OK. You can also tap on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations. Lastly, click on ringtone. And to pick music from your smartphone, click on choose local ringtone. Then select one of those sources. Click on the song and tap on OK at the top right corner. You can also click on pre-installed ringtones over here and tap on Apply next to the best one, like Beep. Lastly, choose OK in the pop-up. Now click on the back button twice and save your alarm by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can edit it by clicking on it and making your changes. In order to discard them, click on the top left corner. You can also save them by choosing top right one. If you want to turn off your alarm completely, click on this switcher next to it and select one of those options. You can switch it back on the same way. In order to get rid of it though, just hold it and tap on the spin icon at the bottom. You can adjust even more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, clicking on settings, and managing all of them however you wish to, like volume. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!